Hey everyone, Nathan Hirsch here, the founder of the FreeeUp Marketplace. I'm here to talk about Giselle, who runs the Rolling Media. I've been working with her for over a year now. And if I go back a year, I didn't even have a brand. No one online knew who I was. And I really had to create a strategy from scratch. And a big part of that strategy was using not only social media, but different graphics and images and ways for people to remember and identify me, figuring out what colors we want to use, what goes in line with my core values and my core beliefs. And one of my favorite things about working with Giselle was she was able to do that and really take all the information that was in my head and get it out there in a more creative, simplistic way that other people could understand. Now, building a brand is not easy. There's tweaks, there's trial and error. I don't think anyone wakes up one day and they say, this is my brand, this is how I'm going to do social media, this is how I'm going to do a plan. It takes time. And I've been really impressed with her communication throughout it. I've been impressed with the ideas that she's brought together. And it really is a collaboration. I'm coming up with new ideas. I might wake up one day and say, hey, I think we should do this. And she's bringing in and coming from her own direction saying, hey, this is what's worked with other clients. This is what's worked in the past. I think we should try this. And I really enjoyed that collaboration process with her. I think it was not only fun, but it was productive and efficient. And I never felt like she had too many clients for me or that the company had too many clients for me. They were very specific with a plan for me and a plan for what I wanted to do. And I strongly recommend using the Rolling Media going forward. I think you'll have a lot of success growing your brand. And I think you'll have the same great experience that I had. So I strongly recommend it.